Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut to help you quickly remove the background of your photos. So in here, what you need to do is open your CapCut and go to the widgets in here, click on expand and find the remove background feature. Click on this, then select the photos that you want to remove its background. I'm going to go remove the background of this photos right here. Click on the photo, click on edit, and CapCut will automatically remove the background by outlining the object first, and after that just adjust the size. If you want, here you can just select the background. For example, you want to change into, okay, I'm going to delete this part first because I don't want to remove that. So here, go to eraser, and here go like this, change the background into the one you want. So for example, I'm going to go with this blue color, and if you like with the result, just click on export and it will be saved to your gallery. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.